Welcome back to the Business Exit Value Strategy. In today's tactic, we will discuss the Goal 3 Administration, Train, and Retain People. This is the Business Exit Value Strategy with one objective, 7 goals, and 500 tactics. Statistically, only 25% of businesses continue beyond 15 years, and only 25% of those will sell. Why is it only 5% succeed? We have analyzed mid-sized companies for over 20 years. There are proven methods and common mistakes to success. This is the business development outline for you, the principal, to finish well and have a future assurance with real estate investments. Now, let's jump into today's tactic. Offer purpose and opportunity with continuous training. Retain committed people in the company. Cross-train internal people for tasks and operations that do not require dedicated staff or collaborate with outside sources. The best practice may be to train trainers and lead leaders. Stand by for this week's chance to win a free gift. If this tactic was helpful, please like this video. Also, please subscribe to hear more tactics soon. And you may order the book, Business Exit Value Strategy, have your people attend individual tactic online courses, or contact us at tobiasbalda.com. For a chance to win our weekly free gift, the Hope and Courage Anchor Line hat, please submit a request or question in the comments section.